Now, amid the Karnataka Assembly session that's underway in Belagavi, not in Bengaluru, the border dispute over the district of Belagavi, which is in North Karnataka, has been reignited between Karnataka and Maharashtra. And amid protests and showdown and clashes, Karnataka Chief Minister Basavaraj Bommai has made it very clear he's not going to back down, throwing a direct challenge at the government in Maharashtra, particularly the governments who have claimed that Belagavi is a part of Maharashtra. Bommai said that his government is ready then to include all Kannadiga-dominated districts and panchayats in Maharashtra into Karnataka if a resolution is passed in this regard. The Chief Minister's statement, remember, comes after protests erupted over the border district between the two states again. Violence broke out in Belagavi over the weekend after a statue of Chhatrapati Shivaji was desecrated, and in response, the statue of Karnataka icon Sangoli Rayanna's was vandalized by protesters.
ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರು ಮಹಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಅವರು ಈಗ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡುವಂತದ್ದು ಮತ್ತು ಅವರ ಅಭಿಲಾಷೆ ಪಟ್ಟರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರ ಜೀವನ ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿಯ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡಿಸೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವರು ನಿರ್ಣಯಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇರ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂತ ಅದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿದ್ಧರಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದನ್ನ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯದಿಂದ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಇಚ್ಛೆ ಪಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Now that statement, that challenge from Chief Minister Bommai comes at a time when we've been seeing protests happening non-stop in Belagavi for the last 1 week. This is by Kannada activists as well as Maratha outfits. And what led to unprecedented protests taking place in Belagavi yesterday was tit-for-tat statue vandalism attacks. We tell you all that played out in Belagavi in this report.
Protests, vandalism and clashes in Belagavi. The North Karnataka district is simmering again over an issue that its people are all too familiar with. The Maratha versus Kannadiga territorial fight. Two incidents over the weekend have led to these unprecedented protests in Belagavi this time. The tit-for-tat vandalism of two icons. First, the statue of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj targeted, following that of Karnataka icon Sangoli Rayanna. The two incidents have sparked widespread anger as pro-Kannada activists staged massive protests on the streets of Belagavi while the Assembly's winter session is underway.
The Chief Minister himself said that what was done by both the sides is wrong. Both these leaders, Shivaji Maharaj as well as Kanti Viraj Sangoli Rayanna, are national leaders who are supposed to who inspire a lot amongst all of us, and that is why their statues are all across the place in many areas of Karnataka. And he says that people should respect, that is on both sides, respect individual, each hero, each patriotic legend, and people should not take such action.
Protesters are putting pressure on the government to arrest activists of the Maharashtra Ekikaran Samiti, even ghiraowing the MLA Basavaraj Bommai's car. Karnataka Chief Minister Basavaraj Bommai, in a bid to end the cycle of protests and violence, has assured all those involved in vandalism have been nabbed.
Shivaji Maharaj, Sangoli Rayanna, Kittur Chennamma, these are the freedom fighters. They have fought against the Britishers, and they have got us freedom, and they have united the country. And in their name, if we start fighting and dividing, it will be injustice to the fight by all these leaders for independence.
ಯಾರೋ ಕಿಡಿಗೇಡಿಗಳು ಶಾಂತಿ ಕದನ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಕಾನೂನನ್ನ ಕ್ರಮ ಕೈಗೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು. ಮೊದಲಿಂದನೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಈ ಮಾರಲ್ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಹೆಸರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಸರ್ಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಅವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಫ್ರೀ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರು.
There is a demand within the BJP to now ban the Marathi group in Karnataka to stop the chorus once and for all, to integrate Belagavi with Maharashtra.
ಅಥವಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಹಾಪುರುಷರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ತೊಂದರೆ ಕೊಡೋಂಥವ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕ್ರಮ ತಗೋತೀವಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದು ಬ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಇರೋರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಇನ್ನು SDP ಅನ್ನೋರು ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರದ್ರೋಹಿ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳ ಅವನ್ನೇನು MES ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇಲ್ದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಬೆಂಬಲ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು? ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡೋಂಥ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಆಗಲೇ ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದೀವಿ. ಮೊನ್ನೆನೂ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಿದ
Pro-Kannada activists who assembled in Belagavi and protested have upped the ante by demanding a ban on the MES, stating that the state of Karnataka has been soft on them for way too long. However, Chief Minister Bommai has stated that hooliganism will not be tolerated in Karnataka and that the main perpetrators of the vandalism have already been arrested. With video journalist Shivamurthy Gurumut, Nolan Pinto for India Today in Belagavi.